In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use grid search to determine the optimal value for a given simulation formula. We will solve question B of example 3. How many cars should the car dealer order to maximize her profit? Let's load the state file from last video. Since these two ways to formulate the profit are equivalent, I will just use profit 1 for this video. To find the optimal order quantity, we can plug in different queues and compare the profit to figure out. But it might take lots of time. Repeat tab has the option to use a grid search to repeat by replacing one or more constants specified in the Simulate tab in an interactive fashion. That is exactly what we need. So let's check it out. We select demand as the variable to resimulate, and the output variables are Q and profit. We select repeat in the group by box. Do you remember the difference between the simulation and repeat that we mentioned in the second video of simulation? If we select repeat in the group by box, the data will be summarized for each reputation across 1,000 simulations. We specify the order quantity Q varying from 4 to 11. The step is 1 car. The order quantity Q is the exact name that we specified in the Simulate tab. So once we hit Repeat Simulation, the initial simulation specified in the Simulate tab is going to be repeated. For each simulation, the Q will be changed to different level, starting from 4 and moving up to 11 with the increment of 1. Select Mean in the Apply function box. So each reputation will return the expected value of profit at that order quantity level across 1,000 simulations. I will still set the random seed as 1, 2, 3, 4, and leave the number of reps as blank because we have specified the number of simulations when specifying minimum, maximum, and then step. The repeat data will be saved in the rep.dat car dataset. When we click Repeat Simulation and go to Data, select rep.dat car dataset, you will see the expected value of profit for each queue. We can sort profit descendingly and get the optimum queue is 7. We can also learn it from the plot. Now let me show you a shortcut to find the optimal value of Q. Let's go back to Model Simulate and define a new variable optQ. We are going to use findMax function. We calculate the profit. When we find the maximum of profit, optQ is equal to the corresponding Q. Let's click the Repeat Simulation again. So the initial simulation has gone through 8 times with different Qs. The minimum of Q is 4 and the maximum of Q is 11. And the optimal Q that maximizes the car dealer's profit is 7 cars. That is all for today. Hope it gives you a better idea of grid search. Thank you for watching.